We arranged the grid seminar today in order to give some of the experiences that we have obtained in Denmark, but also in the rest of the world during the last 30 years of integrating wind into the grid. And we have specified that the target group for this should be the emerging markets.
We were invited as Global Wind Power because we have a lot of experience in the Eastern European markets from the development point of view. I myself has had the pleasure to operate in those countries and live there and help start up the markets for Global Wind Power.
We invited Global Wind Power to the seminar in order to give the participants some concrete case examples of how Global Wind Power have been in the dialogue with the grid operators in Romania and Bulgaria as a part of their business of developing wind farms in these two emerging markets. And I'm sure that the participants will get a lot of useful information from your experiences in these two markets.
We have a project, a rather small one of 8 megawatt that was connected last year that has a grid connection 22 kilometers away.
Right.
That's of course not fun, but in the end it was feasible because the feed-in tariff itself in Bulgaria is actually quite generous. I hope people will gain an insight on how developers see the financing of grid connection of wind farms in both Eastern European countries, but hopefully also something that they can take with them to third world countries, as there's also a lot of representatives from such countries today. So it's both, let's say, giving our take on and our experiences on it, but hopefully also learning from other parties in these roundtable discussions.